Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Have you ever walked into a room and saw something that you recognized immediately? Now, I'm not talking about a friend or this is a thing. It doesn't look like much. It's just a little V-shaped block of steel with some teeth on it and a 3/8 threaded hole through it. But I knew immediately when I saw it that this was the jaw for a NYE pipe vise. How do I know? Well, I had to make one. And the one I made was close. Nothing like this one. This is nice hardened forged steel. Got good sharp teeth on it. And it was marked $1. So, snatched it up and out I went. This morning we're going to confirm that I made the right decision. The vise jaw that I made was a piece of office chair that just happened to be bent at the right angle to fit in that groove. And I cut it and drilled it and tapped it, and it made a nice spacer, just the right size, fit in there, but it didn't have any teeth on it. It didn't grip the pipe. It didn't have what this has, which is serrated teeth. So it worked, but it didn't work well. Anything over 1-inch diameter pipe, it wouldn't grip it. It just let it spin in the vise. So I need these serrations because the serrations on the upper jaw are still there, but they're not enough to grab that pipe and stop it from spinning. So we're going to take this one out and put that one in. This impact wrench makes life ever so much easier. Drops right in, fits perfect. You always want to start a bolt by hand, otherwise you'll cross-thread it and screw up the threads, and all the time you think you're saving by running that thing in with a power tool is lost. You want to get it at least a full turn. Much better. Now that's what I wanted when I started out. This whole process began a long time ago when I got this vise, and it was missing that lower jaw. Without the lower jaw, it just wouldn't grip at all. Putting this jaw in improved it, made it so it got a good bite on it, but it didn't have enough grip to really stop it from spinning. And I intended to go through and cut grooves in this to make teeth, but along came the proper jaw, and now I don't have to. This one is excellent. I need to make an adapter for this so that it'll handle 2-inch pipe, and then I'm going to try threading 2-inch pipe, because that's what this threader was purchased for, was that it would go up to 2-inch pipe. I didn't have a 2-inch pipe threader. I could do 3/8 and half and 3/4, but couldn't go any bigger than that. So now, step 2. But that'll be another video for another day. I'm happy just having the jaw in there for $1. And I got this pipe vise at an entirely different place. How this jaw ended up there, separate from this, I don't know if they ever were the same unit prior to this, but they are now. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.